A bit filthy today. It has been parked for a while. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do a little small tutorial how to install these. Yeah, you know, it's at the factory. It's a process. You have to take off all of this. You have to go remove the motor. You have to go remove this, everything. So I'll do a small tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do, you want to bring the mirror way out to the end. Way out. Just like this. You want to bring the mirror out so you can have it for hold it out, cause like this. Bring it out cause you're gonna pop it out, right? You push the mirror out. You're gonna bend it back, way back now. Way back to the max. Just like that. Alright, so you want to take your time, get this and pop it out just like this. Remember, you have to take your time because it is mirror and it can break. So here it is. Alright, so always remember the blue wire is on top, the red wire is on the lower part. Here it is. So those are gonna be unplugged. Unplug it like this. That's it. Be careful, gently. Alright, so basically we're gonna remove this motor. So we're gonna remove 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, 4, 5 and 6, and the motor should come out, and then we can take off the back just like that. So just realize that these screws you're gonna need this type of screw. So it's not the regular Phillips screwdriver you're gonna need this too. Every RD different still. Yeah, so alright, so this one, that's 2, and so it should pop right out just like this very easily. See, I just press it right there. Alright, this should just pop. Right. Alright, catch up. Alright, so that should pop right out.
Hello, sit.
You just daily rest it right there. Yeah, just like that. After that now, you just take your time. Don't try to break nothing. Just like that. See? Easy does it. Alright, so to install this, you just take your time, same way. Just clip on back this. Easy, just like that. See? It's on. You get this back now. I'll show you though. Clip back in, just like that. Take your time. Fitment perfect. Get the seam back. Simple 1, 2, 1. Just like that. There. Alright, here we go. Everything fitted. Proper look. Yeah. Yeah, man. So the left side and right side are both going to be both the same thing. So you don't have to worry about no other fitments. It's all the same.